This is by far one of the fastest methods you can earn $1,000 online. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you because I love to make money online. And I also love others doing it as well. Because if you can make some money from your laptop or smartphone device, you could be anywhere in the world. You can quit your job and travel around the world with your family just like I do. And obviously I wouldn't be able to do that if I wasn't making money from my mobile phone and sometimes from my laptop. So it provides you the full freedom and pretty nice financial stability. But perhaps you don't like to travel. Maybe you prefer doing something else with your money. You'll buy whatever you like, invest or spend some good time with your mate. So let me know down in the comments below, what would you spend on? Type I would spend my earnings on and enter the $1,000 contest and stand a chance to win it just like Vimarshana Kumaradeva did. Congratulations to you. Just before I show you everything, if you like this kind of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on more set videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, as I always say. Then you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to make up $5,000 on complete autopilot. No matter where you're coming from, and most importantly for free. Well, most of you have never heard about this site before. And let's start the video. Go to kickstart.co, and guys, here you can get real Instagram followers using their powerful growth tool. No spam, no fake followers, no bots, just pure organic growth powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology. And we know that it's legit thanks to the companies showcased on here like Forbes, HubSpot, Entrepreneur, Social Media Today. Here at Kickstart.com, it doesn't get followers by you buying them. Instead, what you need to do is to find profiles similar to yours. Their followers may like your page too, and you get auto engagement with their followers. Kickstart will like posts of people who follow profiles similar to yours on your behalf. Keep just on adding relevant profiles to get the maximum exposure. Get followed back because you engage with similar audiences. Some of those people will follow you back as long as you post quality content frequently. Success is guaranteed. So as I told you earlier, you don't get any followers from this site by buying them, right? You get people who might like your page to follow you. That means better than buying followers. When you buy Instagram followers or likes, you risk getting spammed, wasting your money as Instagram deletes suspicious activities. You may even end up getting banned. With Kickstart, you're safe. We've helped 10,000 plus brands and influencers gain millions of followers. We won't be paying this site whatsoever because, as I told you earlier, this is an absolutely free strategy. So how will this site get us paid? You can see some FAQs and some testimonials as well. I'm not going through those. So you have to come down, and well, we'll be promoting it as an affiliate. Please don't skip a second, guys, because this site is arguably one of the highest paying sites out there. You can earn money from complete autopilot from this site. So you can go to affiliates. So here you can sign up to be an affiliate, and when you do so, you'll get an affiliate link, and when someone signs up through that link, you will get paid. How much? 50% of the commission. And they even have a 45-day cookie lifespan, 100% timely payouts. You can access to their affiliate management team, bonus incentives for extra monthly commission, so you can earn some extra bit of money as well. Monthly newsletters with new features and deals. So it says 50% of the commission. So from how much money are they paying this 50%? Let's go to the pricing. So here they have two plans. First one is the standard plan, which is $49, and the second one is $150. So these days they are having a discount. It's $99, so 50% of that will be $50, and this one $25. So basically, if someone grabs the standard plan, you'll get paid $25, which is a decent amount of money for a single customer. Not to mention the fact that many will go for the premium one as well. And each and every person who grabs this will renew their plans each month. Well, they don't have to do that. Kickstart does that for you. So that means all of them are recurring customers. Imagine you get just 100 people to subscribe to the standard plan and just 50 people to subscribe to the premium plan. You'll get $5,000 per month as passive income. So now I'll show you traffic source that will literally reach thousands of people out there, and which I forgot to tell you, there's a 14-day money back guarantee as well. People these days don't want to give away their money easily, and rightly so, which is why when you tell them that there's a 14-day money back guarantee, there's a huge potential that they will give Kickstarter a try. And when they see how much this is helping them, I can guarantee you that they will want to keep using it. To get started, get down and come to affiliates and sign up. And here you have to fill your first name, last name, email, password, and tick here to confirm that you are not a robot and agree to their terms of service. You can read their terms of service by going over to this link and click sign up now. By the way guys, I really hope you guys are getting some value out of this video, and if you do, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button over there and tap the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So let me tell you how will you get traffic to this. Believe it or not, Google will help you here. This is similar to something that I did in one of my previous videos as well. So in this case, you have to search for a city or a town and a business. A business as in just anything that you'll think will be using Instagram in order to generate profits in their businesses. So I'll just type pubs in Los Angeles. So you'll get all the pubs in Los Angeles here. I just went for pubs. You can go for anything, as I told you earlier, for any business. So go to one of these and go to their website. And you have to search whether they are having any Instagram account. So let's see whether they are having any Instagram accounts. Well, most of them will have nowadays. So when you scroll, let's scroll down and see. Oh yeah, they have over here as well. I didn't see that. So let's go to that Instagram account, and here it is. Here the follower count is just 986 with 211 posts, and I wanted to tell you, find some accounts that do not have too many followers, because if they do, they won't need Kickstarter. So find Instagram accounts with less than 10,000 followers, and that will be fantastic. And now what you have to do is to contact these people and tell them that there's a site that will increase their number of followers for a very cheap price, and then more followers will make them far more appealing to future customers and will get them more customers. This strategy works guys, because nowadays businesses all around the world are having and starting their Instagram accounts. So the most businesses don't have that many followers on their accounts. And since we are talking about businesses, the second and arguably more important fact is that they have a bigger budget and some money to spare, which is why they are the perfect customers. So you get paid, they get more followers and generate more sales. So win and win guys. Repeat this with businesses all over the world and you will never run out of customers, and that is the best thing about this strategy. And as always, if you have any comments, just type down below. I'll be happy to reply to all of you. And thanks for watching.